Good afternoon, everyone. Now, before I start this conversation, I would like to ask you a question. Are you currently stressed? If you're not, then you must have had a very nice day. But if you are, then why don't you stick around with us as we tackle about stress and our ways to manage it? Now, me and my group mates know stress very well. Am I right, folks? Yes, because we are students after all. And not only are we getting buried with school tasks and group projects, but we're also dealing with stress at home and our personal daily lives. And though all those stress piles up in our mind na nakakahinder sa pag-think namin and pag-focus sa aming mga lessons na nakaka-affect sa aming mga grades. And I'm sure everyone experiences stress, not only students, but also those who have work or just stays at home. And stress is constant kasi sa life natin. So, our plan in this is to give you guys a definition of what is stress and give you tips on how to manage them.
In a world na palaging nagmamadali, resting might feel wrong. But the truth is, resting is a powerful thing and part of being productive. You're not weak if you consider na magpahinga. Pinili mo lang na alagaan ang sarili mo because resting is not about giving up. It's about recharging. Stress isn't just mental. It shows up physically then, like headaches, fatigues, tight muscles, and poor sleeps. It also affects your mood, irritability, sadness, or even emotional numbness. Because our bodies and mind are connected. At kapag hindi na control ang stress, our bodies will remind us. And trust me, hindi siya gentle.
Tama. Because I believe na walang mali in saying no. Kasi you don't have to say yes to everything. Boundaries does not make you selfish. They are necessary. Kapag lagi kang game, kahit pagod ka na, that's not kindness. It's self-neglect. You can pour from an empty cup. And remember, rest is a valid reason. Hindi mo na kailangan ipaliwanag palagi. Your well-being is enough reason. And kapag lagi mo kasing minuuna yung iba over your own sanity, maglilid ito sa iyo ng burnout, which is hindi maganda sa ating mental state. And it might manifest into physical problem katulad ng weakness at minsan madaling magalit.
Stress is your body reaction to any demand or challenges. It's not always bad naman since stress can also improve our physical thinking. Pero too much and too often, it can harm us. Meron iba marunong mag-handle ng stress since they are used to it. And meron din naman iba that would have a harder time dealing with stress. So our group would like to offer advice to help those nahihirapan mag-handle ng stress or currently na nag-i-struggle at the moment.
That's right, because as you know, the stress can affect our daily life. This is true, especially for college students. I used to think the stress was just like starter pack, like tambak na projects at sabay-sabay na activities. At this point, hindi ko na alam kung ano pang uunahin. I felt like my brain was just like loading lang, parang di nakapag nasa daan, unstable. But I found out na speaking to somebody when feeling low can also take away the weight of tension. You can talk to a friend, teacher, or even a parent or a counselor. Walang masama sa paghingi ng tulong. Emotional release is not a weakness. It's a maturity na kilala mo ang sarili mo at kaya mo mag-handle ng stress.
Stress will always be a part of life, pero may choice ka. You can choose to pause, choose to rest, and choose to take care of yourself. Sa simpleng pahinga, tamang pagkain, at sapat na tulog ay unti-unti mong matutunan ang kalmadong buhay. Kalma is a skill. The more you practice it, the stronger you become. Be kind to yourself. Human beings are not perfect, and making mistakes is part of life. What matters is how we learn from and grow from those mistakes. Treat yourself as kindly as you treat your friend.
Have you ever tried waking up feeling tired? Yung buong gabi kang natutulog pero pagod ka pa rin. Yung feeling na wala kang ginagawa pero ubos ka na. Well, that's stress. Tahimik pero mabigat.
Pero it's not just about work lang ha. Minsan galing sa pressure, expectations, sa overthinking na paulit-ulit. Laban na ng laban, pero deep down kapag pagod ka na.
Kaya okay lang na magpahinga. Rest doesn't equal weakness. You're just protecting your own peace. Kaya nga, if you're able to rest, take it. And dapat, you know how to control your stress and you know how to manage them. Kasi, if those stress pile up, it can take a toll on your mental health and your physical health. And dapat, pinapriority natin ating sarili kaysa sa ibang tao. Kaya need natin talaga na mag-focus in dealing with our own stress imbes na tulungan muna yung iba. May time tayo para doon, pero dapat unahin natin lagi ating sarili. Kasi at the end of the day, we are our own friend. And hanggang mamatay tayo, sarili natin ang kasangga natin. And by doing this, mas makokontrol natin yung mental health natin na hindi tayo ma-overwhelm agad sa stress and we know how to deal with them instead na it can turn into depression, ma-solve natin agad sila before it can be worse. That's all.